I cannot change.
What's up everybody, it's your girl TailorMaade in the cut. Welcome back to a Bro Girls channel. Today we are filming a little glowy makeup tutorial as you saw in the beginning of the video or whatever. I'm starting off today with my e.l.f. Poreless face primer and then going in after that with some Mercier foundation primer as well. It's really hydrating and makes the skin look really supple. Then, so that we get some glow from within, I'm taking the Maybelline strobing liquid in the shade Deep Gold and spreading that all over the high points of my face. So for the foundation, I wanted to use something that would allow the glow to like seep through the foundation. So I'm taking the L'Oreal True Match foundations.
Didn't I tell you at the damn club? We gon' wake your neighbors, turn your block club to my fan club.
I can't think of the shades right off the top of my head that I mixed together to get my shade, but I'll list them in the description box below, I promise. For concealer, I wanted to take something that was like a little thinner and would melt into the skin better. So I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 03 Medium. I wanted a little more of a golden tint under the eye, so I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Corrector Yellow. Set the under eyes and like to lightly set the rest of the face. I'm taking the Mercier translucent powder. To bring a little bit of color back to the face, I'm just lightly patting in the Maybelline Better Skin Face Powder in 03 Medium. Since this is more of a glowy look, I'm taking this shimmering bronzer from Clinique and I'm going to use that to bronze my skin up and start adding back that glow to the skin. To lightly contour and like snatch my nose a little bit, I'm gonna take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer just because it's more cool toned and I don't want like a super harsh contour, but I do want to be contoured. Okay, so I'm taking the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Dolce Pink. This blush is like super pretty and golden, and I take a little bit and put it on my nose just because it helps like bring light to the center of the face. I think that trick is like so cute. I'm spraying my face with some Mario Badescu Rose Water just to melt everything into the skin. I want everything to look really skin-like and really glowy and like dewy and cute. Okay, now I'm taking this super blinding highlight from Maybelline. It's the Master Chrome highlight in Molten Gold, and basically I'm just gonna put this everywhere. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it everywhere. For my top lash line, I'm taking the Loreal Lash Paradise Mascara. And then for my bottom lashes, I'm taking the Tarte Amazonian Clay Mascara. For the lips, I'm finishing off with a nice bubblegum pink lip gloss that's like stellar. Like, this is a necessity for a nice glowy look. Like, a gloss, girl, get you a good gloss. Get you a good gloss. Okay everybody, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. All of the products that I used will be linked below. You guys can also follow me on all my social media, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!